Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the scariest things in the universe. From black holes to the end of the universe, these phenomena will make you realize just how small we are in the vast cosmos. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed, perhaps even a little frightened, as we journey to the cosmic horrors that lurk in the shadows of space.
Imagine a place where gravity is so strong, so all-consuming, that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. These are black holes, cosmic monsters born from the death throes of massive stars. Venture too close, and you'd be trapped in its gravitational grip, stretched and squeezed like spaghetti. A process scientists charmingly call spaghettification.
Stars, those distant suns that illuminate the cosmos, also have their own spectacular and sometimes violent ends. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer support its own weight. The core collapses in on itself, triggering a cataclysmic explosion that can outshine entire galaxies, a supernova. While beautiful from afar, they are harbingers of destruction, capable of wiping out any planetary systems within a certain radius.
Gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, are among the most energetic events in the universe. These bursts of gamma radiation, the most energetic form of light, are brief but incredibly intense. Scientists believe they are produced during the most violent events in the universe, like the collapse of massive stars into black holes or the collision of neutron stars. If a GRB were to occur relatively close to Earth, it could potentially strip away our atmosphere, leaving our planet vulnerable to the deadly radiation of space.
After a massive star explodes as a supernova, it can leave behind a bizarre remnant, a neutron star. These objects are incredibly dense, packing more mass than the sun into a sphere the size of a city. But what makes neutron stars truly terrifying is their intense magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Some neutron stars, known as magnetars, have even more powerful magnetic fields, capable of distorting atoms themselves.
Imagine a planet, cold, dark, and adrift in the vast emptiness of space. This is the fate of rogue planets, worlds that have been ejected from their star systems by gravitational interactions. They drift through the cosmos like ghost ships, harboring secrets of star systems long gone.
The universe is not a static place. Galaxies, those vast islands of stars, are constantly in motion, often drawn together by their mutual gravity. These cosmic encounters can be breathtakingly beautiful, triggering waves of star formation as gas clouds collide. But they can also be incredibly destructive, flinging stars into intergalactic space and scattering planetary systems into the void.
We like to think we have a good grasp of the universe, but the truth is most of it is made up of something we can't see or even fully comprehend. Dark matter and dark energy, these mysterious entities make up the vast majority of the universe's mass and energy, yet they remain shrouded in mystery. Dark matter holds galaxies together, providing the gravitational glue that prevents them from flying apart. Dark energy, on the other hand, is accelerating the expansion of the universe, driving galaxies away from each other at an ever-increasing rate. Deep within the cosmic expanse lurks a gravitational anomaly that's pulling our galaxy, the Milky Way, and countless others towards it at an alarming speed. This mysterious region, known as the Great Attractor, exerts a gravitational pull so strong that it's overcoming the expansion of the universe. The Great Attractor remains one of the most intriguing and unsettling mysteries of the cosmos, a cosmic siren calling us towards an unknown fate.
Imagine a scenario where the universe as we know it could be wiped out in an instant. This is the chilling prospect of vacuum decay, a theoretical event that could spell doom for everything. If something were to nudge the universe, it could tunnel to a lower energy state, creating a bubble of true vacuum that would expand at the speed of light, obliterating everything in its path. The universe, like everything else, has a beginning and an end? Will it be a slow fade, a gradual cooling as stars die out and galaxies drift apart? Or will it be a dramatic finale, a big rip where dark energy tears apart the very fabric of space-time? The end of the universe is a sobering thought, a reminder of the impermanence of all things.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating content about the universe. Let us know in the comments which of these phenomena you find the most terrifying. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop looking up at the stars, even if they sometimes hold the potential for cosmic horror.